Why does it work so well? I'm finishing my cleaning faster, and I have more energy at the end of the day. On top of that, my clients have been tipping more generously and leaving glowing reviews, even a few 5-star ones on Google. And I haven't changed any of my tools, products, or even the techniques I use. So, what's the difference, Professor?
The difference lies in the strategic approach you're now taking. The Clean Smart system is designed around a series of logical steps. It's not just about cleaning what catches your eye first. Let me give you an example. Think about a shower covered in hardened soap scum. Before, you might have just sprayed it down and started scrubbing vigorously right away. With the Clean Smart system, you apply a soap scum remover beforehand, making it easier to clean when you reach the scrubbing stage. In some cases, you might even be able to simply wipe it away by the time you get there. And after scrubbing and rinsing, instead of grabbing several towels to dry the shower immediately, the Clean Smart system has you move on to another task. By the time you come back in step 6, the shower is nearly dry. All that's left is to wipe away any water spots and polish the fixtures. This simple adjustment in the order of tasks saves you 4 towels and a few minutes of energy in just the shower alone. Does that help clarify why you're experiencing such positive results